tide. A towboat hums as the waters glide. Early morn whispers a river's hymn. Dark skies above, horizons dim. The paddle churns a steady beat. The Ohio sleeps beneath my feet. Calm and cold, her secrets keep. The sailor's dreams in waters deep. Towboating on the Ohio wide, through mist and shadow where dreams collide. The river knows what the dark won't show. Towboating steady where the whispers go. Stand silent, the branches bare, the shadows dance in the morning air. Each ripple tells a story untold, a river's wisdom ancient and bold. The engine hums a lonely tune beneath the watchful silver moon. The fog surrounds like a lover's arm, yet still I steer through a quiet charm.